Finance Minister's comment about thanking you for the Japanese support for Ghana in many fields. With a specific reference to roads, there's a known record of your support for us doing very quality work. And we believe that this is one other evidence with regard to that. The President of the Republic is determined to reverse the uncomfortable and unhelpful situation on our roads. The average person in our country is unhappy with the road near them. That is why through his finance minister, my brother here, you will notice that he is investing extensively to make improvement on the road network in our country. Indeed, Kumasi is a very strategic town, city in our country, and the traffic situation is such that when you're moving from the south to the north, the obvious route currently is going through Kumasi, and the delays and the loss of productivity that everybody suffers by going through Kumasi needed to be addressed. Even if you are just driving around Kumasi, government is not only waiting for development partners' support. You will notice that government itself, over the years, have done investment in Kumasi. As the President Mahama's government took office, there were other significant projects initiated through other sources that stalled. Swami Interchange is one of them. The President directed and the Finance Minister graciously took over that project to be completed under the Big Push project. Secondly, dealing with the north-south traffic, government has also taken the opportunity to start the outer ring road. What you are doing is the inner ring road. Basically preventing traffic or giving an alternative to traffic that is not intended for Kumasi, not to even enter Kumasi at all. So we are going to do about, Douala is about over 40 kilometers from Ejisu all the way back to intersect with the road leading to Mampong. That project has already been procured with government resources, and contractors should be mobilizing to site as we speak. And we want to take the opportunity to thank the Finance Ministry for funding many of these interventions from the ministry. With regard to this particular project, I would encourage Urban Road to ensure that the days where we tout the investment without ensuring that that investment is feasible and checkable and durable are gone. Under this government, when we make the investment, we want to see the outcome. And with the Japanese grant, evident in many of the things, including the Tama end of the motorway, quality work delivered within time and budget. So we are going to ensure through Urban Road that we deliver this also within budget and on time, and all other projects. It doesn't have to be only Japanese project. Even if it's Ghana government funded project, must match the Japanese quality that they deliver. So we are very grateful. We want to once again thank the Finance Minister and the government for supporting the activities of the road ministry. We commit